Greetings and welcome to AJ's Diecast news and reviews. Today we are doing a review, a Hot Wheels mainline review of a 2022 Lotus Emira. This particular car we are looking at was released in 2023 in this fabulous Magma Red. The car was picked up at an area Target store. The car is one of England's pride and joys. These Lotuses are lightweight and powered by a supercharged V6 engine or a torquey AMG 4-cylinder automatic. They are meant to be a great driving car and handle like a dream. So let's check out this modern sports car by the storied Lotus brand. Hey, while I got you here, be sure to like, subscribe, and comment, especially if you like this kind of video. I'm here to bring you quality material and have some fun along the way. Okay, let's get back to our review of the Lotus Emira. First, let's appreciate the smooth lines of this car. It has sleek proportions, almost feline in body form. Starting up front, we can thank Hot Wheels leadership that this car was given detailed headlights and proper badging up front. I know, it's almost amazing. These deep lower fascia inserts are quite detailed. The middle one is the grille which sucks in the air that feeds the engine, while the side ones pop out these slots here on the hood. Of course, this is a die-cast and there are no openings on the hood, but the real car has them. Inside, we can see the driver's seat is on the left, which is a nod to its English homeland roots. Let's move on to the side and look at the wheels real quick. The wheels are known as Trap 5 wheels. They are trapezoidal and have 5 spokes. Hot Wheels introduced this style wheel and all of its variants in 2012. So why am I talking about the wheels? These wheels are actually known by Hot Wheels enthusiasts, the ones who actually race these cars, as being a wheel that slows down the car. The reason is the spokes actually stick out of the wheel, and when racing on a Hot Wheels track, they rub against the sidewall and slow the whole car down. The more you know, right? This car's profile is very attractive to say the least. It has an hourglass body and varying lines and curves that move air around the car. There's even an air insert here along the rear haunch. I love this line here that forms midway through the door, then lightly arches over the wheel well and swoops upward towards the rear spoiler. This car has a really appealing design for sure. Things are looking really good, as Hot Wheels also decided to detail the rear taillights as well as the word Lotus here on the back. There are 2 body-colored air vents in the rear here. The air that sucks up from the side sections here shoots out the rear here. The rear splitter is plastic and has dual exhaust. The entire top of this diecast is plastic, a nice cost savings measure for Mattel, but it also fits nicely with the whole car. The real car has a glass greenhouse, so in this instance, it actually fits perfectly with this diecast. I know it's hard to see, but the interior is a nice black molded plastic. I don't see any hidden Easter eggs in there, so The other side of the car shows off what we witnessed from the other side, but here we see a gas cap. I don't think there's a bad angle on this car. It looks attractive no matter how you spin it, twist it, or hold it. I guess the least interesting part would be the underside of this Hot Wheels diecast. The chassis and tires are plastic. Here is the usual Hot Wheels info under the car. This one is made in Malaysia. Rivets here at both ends. Quick stress test. The center squeeze obviously feels that the car is hollow because, well, it is. It's a greenhouse with molded seating inside, so there isn't much there, especially nothing holding it together in the center. So I wouldn't want to squeeze it too hard. Front and back, as well as the sides, are solid. Compared to a normal Hot Wheels car, this Emira is pretty small. It's pretty small next to any 1/64th scale diecast. The Emira is a small car in real life, but I'm pretty sure Hot Wheels is saving mucho money with its tiny size. Hence why they probably had the extra cash to spend on the light and badging tampos. Lucky us, right? So, what do I rate the car? Let's give it an objective number score of 10 out of 10. It's a beautiful car no matter how you look at it. It has really detailed lights and no blemishes or errors that I could find. I mean, it's perfect in the tangible sense. If there were issues, I would lower the score, but there really aren't any. It's just a really nice quality Hot Wheels diecast. Also, that magma red certainly adds to the cool factor of this minuscule micro Emira. I remember the Lotus Elise, the car that the Emira seems to replace. I'd say this is a much more visually appealing car, but the Elise probably has the edge for those looking back with those rose-tinted glasses. Both cars are great for their time, and this is a great overall Hot Wheels release. It seems like Hot Wheels will be releasing many variants of this car, so get ready for multiple colors. If you are a fan of cars from the old island, or just like sports cars, this is a nice Hot Wheels release for your collection. Now, if you'll excuse me, I got a test drive with an Emira. I'm AJ, and I will catch you next time.